Wow, I'm getting buzzed. We're buzzing the tower.
Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we are in Key West, Florida, and we are going to check out the Butterfly Conservatory. So stick around and check out all the cool butterflies with us. It's going to be a good time. So let's go.
Hi guys, so we're heading in. We do have to wear our masks throughout the like nature conservatory. So yeah, we have them. We're ready to go. Alright guys, we have our masks on and we are ready to rock and roll. Alright guys, so we are in the first part of the museum, conservatory, and you see all these pretty cool butterflies. Oh, that's pretty. I think I like that one the most. That's the colors.
Yeah, that's good.
That one's a little iridescent. That's neat.
Okay, so entrance today, it was $13 a piece. So $26 plus tax, about $28. So really not too bad for everything else we've done here on the island.
Yeah.
And that's with the $2 coupon, so I think normally it's $15 a person.
Very cool. There's so many butterflies. Hey buddy, you enjoying your lunch? Oh. That's a pretty one. Yeah, they're pretty. Wow, I'm getting buzzed. They're buzzing the tower.
Huh?
They're buzzing the tower. Butterflies.
Yeah. So I'm surprised at how good of flyers they are because they tend to flutter, right? So they look like they're kind of going every which way. But one was able to navigate in the space between the two of us was only about 6 inches. Made it through without touching either of us.
That's awesome. Here are some of the birds that are in the nature conservatory. I think the Paradise tanager is my favorite. Hello. You're pretty. That's my favorite ones, flamingos. I love the flamingos. I'll have to ask their names are.
Rotten plantains. The other one there's going to town on a mandarin.
Orange. They're from the pretty blue birds that we saw earlier. Oh, bye bird. Hi bird. The lone fish. Cute though. Hey guys, I would definitely recommend coming early because we are here at 1 o'clock. It is packed and it's like bumper to bumper people. So, yeah.
Probably should have came earlier in the day.
Yeah, we should have came earlier in the day. They're pretty. The blue ones just go by so fast. I don't think I can capture them, I feel like.
You get them when they're stopped. Like
Yeah. There you go. There's the blue one. So we found out today that butterflies have no teeth. And the majority of their diet consists of drinking nectar from the flowers.
They also have thousands of eyes.
Thousands of eyes, yeah. There's one hanging out. Oh, you guys' names are Rhett and Scarlet. That's cute.
And then when they open up the blue ones.
I found this to be appropriate.
Yeah.
That's funny. Trying to get Scarlet's attention. That's a pretty bird. I don't remember seeing those on the guide. What was the alpha? They're
yellow
all the
and orange
colors.
underneath there too.
Wow. They're cute. Bye. Ah! Y'all, it happens. It happens. We're best friends now.
She's so excited.
I'm so excited. Alright, buddy. Gonna hang on there? Okay, we'll go. We'll go for a walk. That's cool. We're gonna name you... I don't know.
Shoulder.
Shoulder. Okay. I mean, I guess I have to live here now. Shoulder's not going anywhere. Shoulder's staying here. Guess I have to stay too. Sorry. Still here, guys. He's still here. Still doing it. I mean, he's probably been on my shoulder, but what do you think? 5 minutes?
4 minutes.
Yeah. Nope. You good? Alright, guys. Oh, bye! I caught it! She flew away. Bye, shoulder. Oh, alright. Well, this way I had to hurry up in case any more land on me. Look at the babies, the little baby chicks. That's sweet.
I don't know if the chicks or what kind of birds they are.
No, they're little buddies though.
That's one cutthroat bird.
Hey, buddy. They're cute. You friends? Alright. Good game. Hey guys, so we are now in the gift shop. Obviously you enter and exit through the gift shop. So we're gonna find some really cool things and I'll let you know what we find. I am so, it is hot. Alright guys, for a butterfly, our Key West Butterfly Nature Conservatory mug. Looking at $9.95. Pretty cool. It's got the flamingos on it. It's got the gecko on it that we saw. And some butterflies, of course. Pretty cool. There's plenty of little tchotchkes around here too. Like this green butterfly is $12.95. This looks like a hummingbird is also $12.95. Very cool. I think one for $12.95. Very neat. Alright guys, so we have these really cute ornaments and sun catchers. Oh, I really like the hot air balloon. That one retails for $16.95. That one's pretty cool. And we got some songbird here. That one's $29.95. That's pretty cool. I'm doing a very terrible job at this, but this Key West Butterfly Conservatory shirt is $17.95. Not bad. Gotta focus back. If a hoodie or a half zip is what you're looking for, they have them here. Let me see if I can find the price. Alright, so this one is $44.95. It is pretty thick in all things considered. I cannot imagine wearing a long sleeve shirt right now, but I guess if you live somewhere else other than Florida, you might need one.
Alright guys, so here's your pro tips for the Butterfly Conservatory here in Key West. I would say number one, it is a very magical place when you first walk in and you see all the butterflies flying all over the place. And it's probably even more magical when there are fewer tourists. We were stuck in a line the entire time. So pro tip number one, I'd say get here early to avoid the crowds. Pro tip number two, I would say, is don't touch the butterflies. They have a number of signs out, say don't reach out to them, don't touch them, Of course, we saw this being violated a few times, but don't be that person.
Yeah.
And let's not hurt the butterflies. Leave them there for other people to enjoy. And pro tip number 3 is you can get a $2 off coupon by picking up one of the free coupon magazines all around Key West at the little booths throughout. You'll see those around here. Save $2 off admission per person. So actually one of the more affordable tourist attractions here in Key West. All right. And also your tickets will get you in and out of the conservatory all day. So you can go early in the morning, go have lunch, come back, do it again. Great fun. All right, so that's going to do it for us today, and we'll see you next weekend.
Okay.
So that's going to do it for us today. We'll see you next weekend. Get it in there again.
Okay. Wait. Okay, now go.